Alright, you're very welcome to my software journey. Right now I'm going to go over my Java project, which is a roulette game, just to show you how the random number generator works. So we start off by creating two arrays of numbers, which are rows of ints, and the first are black numbers, followed by red numbers, as well as two variables of string color and string local. So this will basically generate what place in the array the number is, as in local, and what color it is, depending if it's black or white. And this will basically show if the bet that the person makes is correct. So if they were to make a bet on a black number, it will check for the string color equal black, and if so, it'll pay them out the amount that they're owed. Now, after the arrays, I do create my random number generator, so it's random or n equals new random, and the int answer, my answer is the variable, and it's rn dot next int 37 plus 1. So this base generates a random number between 1 and 37, but you may ask why 37, as there are only 36 numbers on a European roulette table. Well, if the answer is 37, I allow it to equal 0. So that will be my 0 option, so the color will be green and the local between be 0 and 12. So that's basically how that works, and then there's the if else statement to determine if the number answer, well, the variable answer, which is a number generator, will be a black number or a red number. So I use the if else statement, and I check all the black number positions just to see if it's there, and then if it's there, it equals black, and this is just a placeholder now. But the local will be determined on what the value of the number actually is. And then the other option is if it's not 37 or it's not in the black numbers, it has to be a red, so that just equals red. Then I'm just going to output it in the local, in the actual system, so you can just see how it works. So I just run it. As you can see, the number was 31. It's a red number, and it's the local just doesn't matter because that's just a placeholder for the moment. And I'll run it again, and it's the number is 11 and it's black, and again the local doesn't really matter. Now this is just one part of it, but just to show you how it would work visually, I created this software. Now this will show you how it will create visually, and it's using the GUI of the window builder in Eclipse, which you need to download. If I just wait for it to open now. Now basically the GUI, all it is for this is not actually implemented into the game yet. It will just generate a random number. It'll put the color on the number, and it'll put the number and the color in a JLabel, which will actually form the color. Now for this code, I do have it running that the numbers 1 through 18 would be red, and the numbers 18 through 36 would be black. So that's basically how this will work, and I'll just show you the design concept, and I'll just run it for you so you can just see how it will work. So basically this is it here. As you can see, it starts off at 0 being green. You press number, it'll generate a number, and it's 5 red. Generate number again, it'd be 18 black. Generate number again, it's 8 red, and it just continuously changes the color and the number. Now this, when this number comes up, it'll calculate the bets and it'll give you the funds. So that's basically how that works. So that's going to be mixed, that's going to be like mixed in with this program, which will just generate the numbers and the locales, and that will basically give me the concept of the roulette game. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again.